Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're going to unbox the first Skywatch that I have received here. Got a few coming, so I'm going to do comparisons, long-term use reviews, and so on in later videos. But this is the first one that I've actually had hands-on experience with, and I wanted to just kind of do a quick unboxing, first impressions, see how the watch feels. And how it looks and do a wrist check and so on. So this is a Skywatch. This particular one is poppy red and black. So I guess we can maybe look at the watch then. So Skywatch, this one, as I said, poppy red. It does look distinctly orange to me, but I know from speaking with the founder what the whole reason behind all this is, which is kind of cool. So comes in this little presentation box, kind of clear plastic. So this one's been a bit scuffed. It's probably going to be hard to avoid all that. If we can open it up here. Okay, so it comes in this nice little presentation box. This top piece slides out. Watch looks really nice on first impressions, like really sort of higher quality than I perhaps anticipated. Let's pull it on out here. Get rid of that. Okay, so all right, we turn this over. We've got kind of class. We've got the blue tags on the back. To my mind, I was like, why don't they match? Why don't they match the bezel? Why would you not just put the orange kind of straps on there? There is a reason for it. But so here's the owner's manual. Just usual information, setting, time, and date. Congratulations on this devilishly handsome diver's watch. Water resistance tested to a depth of 100 meters. They say themselves, these probably aren't watches you're going to go diving in. Maybe to a dive bar is their kind of thing. It's more a cool status symbol, and just a really nice piece of engineering. So if you look on the back here, they've got this little stopper which kind of keeps everything in place. So we'll pop that out of the way, and this hopefully should just slide out. All right. Not a lot of information about these watches online, I have to say. 44mm bezel diameter, 100 meters water resistance, rotating bezel. Pretty basic kind of information online there. What I will say is this: the bezel is actually really pretty. I thought it would be quite plasticky, but it is full on stainless steel, I believe, with a lovely enamel coating that goes over the top. And actually it's very, very precisely done. So the enamel itself doesn't go over the edges of the bezel. It just lays on top, and it creates that lovely sheen off those. So you can check out the information on the website like I've been doing. Like I said, it's a bit sparse in terms of specs. Retail price is $495 on the website. Some of the 46 mils go at $595. They do keep it pretty static in terms of those pricings. It's rare you get a discount or anything. I gotta say, I only really came across this brand because of Watch Gang, being a member on there, and I'm kind of investigating so many different brands that I never thought about or knew about. But just have a wee look around the casing here. The black stainless steel is really pretty. We've got the chronos in the center there with the second ticker. We've got that bezel is very, very nicely done, and this black stainless steel is beautiful. Then we've got the strap on the 44mm. You get the silicone strap, which it feels lovely. Feels really, really nice. We've got that kind of ribbed effect inside. We've got the Skywatch branding on both sides of it, and then there's this lovely stitching. Actually, that's really, really, really nice. It's not like your normal diver's silicone band. Very high quality feel silicone. Beautiful stitching. Almost has like an orangey sort of matching sheen off it to an extent. Then we've got these bright blue, almost clashing bands, but there is a reason for that. I spoke with the founder a little while ago, and he was telling me it's actually designed to be basically like a stamp. So no matter what the front bezel is, anybody can recognize a Skywatch because it will always have those little blue bands. So that's kind of cool. Cool little anecdote there. The detail on the bezel is beautiful there. Looks really, really nice. Nicely engineered. The weight on the watch itself is much heavier than I thought, but in a good way. It really feels nicely weighted, feels heavy duty, durable, much more weight and much more quality materials than I thought. You never really get that, you know, from photographs online. We've got the little crown there with the Skywatch, but yeah, you never really get that from photos online. It just looks like a kind of plasticky bezel, but this is heavy duty. This is stainless steel bezel with enamel coating. Really, really well done and well engineered. So let's see what it's like on, guys. Alright. That is pretty sweet looking. Gotta say, I love the sleek black look. Not too big, not too small for me. I think 44mm is about perfect. After that, it seems to feel like I'm pushing the boundaries of what my wrist can kind of carry off. But this looks really, really good. Super comfortable strap. It feels like you wear this all day. Just really nice. See some of the detail on the face, the bezel, around the strap. Gotta say, this is one of the best, if not the best, silicone strap I have seen. It's really, really nice, and just a lot of the detail in that bezel really shines through, and the nice stitching on the strap itself. Beautiful feel. Lots of nice little branding kind of elements as well in there. Just super, super comfortable. Let's set the time here just to be precise. See what time it is. 12:28-ish. Let's go. A little chrono hand ticking away there. Alright, there's quite a lot of nice little details within the face itself. The bezel's what kind of does it for me. I think it's a really, really nice bezel. You know, it's rare you see a bezel that nice. Oh, there's some more Skywatch branding. It's rare you see a bezel that nice on a watch. Certainly at this price point, you know, just the finer details of things like that. Enamel coating on it is just beautiful. You see the way the crystal sits up a little bit. It's a mineral crystal on this, the 44mm. Just really, really nicely put together watch. Nice weight. I could see myself wearing this, no doubt about it. Now, when I was speaking to the founder, Gabriel Ibarra, last week, he was telling me that they're very, very selective as to where this watch gets distributed. So when I went looking online, it was hard to find, I have to say, except on the website itself, and then Goop and Nordstrom. And aside from that, you really have to go looking. Like, I haven't seen one on eBay. It's very hard to find them on Amazon, and if you do, the prices are highly inflated. So you're best just getting them direct from the manufacturer or one of those kind of premium online stores. And I can understand why they do it that way. The quality of this thing, you know, I think you kind of need to see it to believe it and feel it. I think that's one of the things. A lot of watches just look great and then you get them and it's a big disappointment. And this watch is not one of those watches. This watch is one that looks really cool and funky, and then when you get it, it just elevates the whole feel and look of the watch. The quality of everything is exceptional. So look, overall impressions are really, really good on this watch. It reeks of quality from the strap, which is, as I say, probably the best silicone strap I've ever seen. The bezel with that beautiful enamel kind of coating on it, it's just really, really polished and beautiful looking, especially when it catches the light. You've got that stainless steel case with the black coating on it. Looks beautiful, sleek. It's the bezel that really kind of speaks to me. But like I say, the strap is just such a nice quality as well. The profile is really sleek and minimalist. I don't have a lot of bad things to say about it. The bezel on this model is a little bit stiff. That's something I noticed. And I'm going to actually ask about that and see if that's a normal kind of tolerance thing within, because it was hardish for me to move the bezel. So we'll find out about that. I'll report back in another video. Make sure you watch those. And for now, guys, I think that's kind of the Skywatch unboxing done. I'm looking forward to getting some new models coming up in the next sort of week or so. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button for me. We'd really appreciate it. And also hit the subscribe and notification bell if you have not already. And I can keep you posted with everything as I release it on the channel. Meantime, hope you're well. Take care. Have a great one.